Here's a great deal on a 2003 Toyota Avalon. This four-door, five-passenger sedan provides exceptional value. Under the hood, you'll find a six-cylinder engine with more than 200 horsepower, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. Top features include cruise control, front and rear cup holders, one-touch window functionality, a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, fully automatic headlights, and power windows. Toyota also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags, front and side impact airbags, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.